Hi, welcome to a new video. Normally I'm out in my little converted Peugeot partner camper van and doing photography and everything else, but I enjoy taking photos of Lego in all different situations. I've done this for years. Lately, well, the last few years, I've been using like the larger ones like the torches and like the clocks, as well as you've got these little like pocket ones. They're bigger than the normal ones and everything else, so it makes it easier for photography and everything else. So, you know, a grown man walking around with one of these in their pocket and taking pictures, yeah, it's a little bit weird, but you know, at the end of the day, it's a bit of fun, you know. So if you haven't seen my channel, have a look at that. Well, beside that anyway, let's put these to the side. Basically, I didn't know this, that they'd released, and they have released, like, I think there was the Harry Potter ones, the larger mini scale scaled up minifigures. So I got this one and I got the family to buy it me for my 50th birthday. How sad is that, really? But you know, at the end of the day, this is more for display. I probably won't take this out taking photos because one, it'll break, and getting it in my backpack. But yeah, so I'm going to review the, I'm going to build it and review it and everything else from a standpoint of me not really building any Lego really since I was a kid properly. I've messed around with photos and everything, but not really built, you know, a good big set. So this is going to be a little bit of fun. So, you know, here we go. So, right. So this set is the 40649 scaled up Lego minifigure, ages 10 plus. There's 640 some odd pieces in here, and that's how I've opened it, but this is the first time I've actually got it out. So you have a nice manual there, which is very detailed, which is, if you go all the way to the end, basically is 93 pages to actually get it built. And then you've got all the bags of parts. So let's get these out. On the back of the box, let's just have a look. Like I say, you've got the minifigure. It's all posable as well. I mean, I did try and build one a good few years back, which they released years ago. I can't remember the thing. I'll put it on the screen now. And I did try and build it, and it was static, but I did try and make the legs because I've got spare Lego, you know, a good few years back, but it never worked out. So this, bit of fun. So you've got that all posable, and then at the top, don't know if you can see there, you get a small little minifigure as well that's controlling it. So it's like a robot, mech, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, so let's get on with building this anyway. So right, let's have a look. Let's put this to the side and move my little figures out of the way. Let's put them over here so you can see some of the ones that I've got. I've actually got loads. I've got a cabinet full downstairs. Really sad, really. But yeah, so we'll start building this. I assume, because I haven't built Lego for a while, they're all in bag orders, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, basically you've got different bags for different sections, and then so let's get on with building that. So we start with bag one then. So let's put these other ones to the side. Alright, so let's start with this then. Alright, just a quick heads up anyway. Unfortunately, I have a spinal problem which makes walking difficult, but also I have problems with my hands with grip and everything else. So doing this is going to be a bit fiddly for me. You know, so if I do make mistakes, I am very sorry. Unfortunately, there's not that much I can do about it. So let's get on anyway. I just done the wrong bag. No. See, made a mistake already. That was the smaller bag one, which I don't need, and it's that one. So there we go. So we'll just put those to the side. So you can see how long it is since I built Lego. There's another bag one. So 3 bag ones, I didn't realise. So I was wondering why there wasn't all the pieces there. Right, I thought I'd made, well, I have made a mistake because I was looking for 2 red ones and I thought it fell on the floor because I did knock something out. But you've got a blue one there, but I haven't got a blue 2x2. And so I've gone back and I've made a mistake here. I've put basically the blue bit, the blue 2x2 down, and there should be one there, and then this cone should have been in there. I've just misplaced it, so I've just got to modify that a little bit. So I've got to take this off to get all that done. So let's get on with that. Should pay more attention really, shouldn't I? Right, and there we go. That's part 1 done. So we'll get on to the next bag now and start doing that one. Right, on to the next section now. So this is bag number 2. Won't make the same mistake as last time, which is having 2 bags this time. So we'll get these open. Forgot the scissors, so back in a second. Well, that's one leg done. Yeah, you've got a lot of movement on that actually. That looks pretty solid actually, doesn't look too bad. The one thing I've noticed building this up, because like I say, I take pictures of these when I'm out and about, and these are the clock ones, it's digital clock up. I just haven't got batteries in this. You can see it's not that far off from this. It is slightly bigger than that, but bigger than the actual torches that I've got. So yeah, so that's one leg done. So let's get on with the next, I think. Yes, there we go. So there you go, there's both legs. So you can stand him up, it's facing to the camera there, so you can then sit him down. Everything else, not bad movement. So yeah, right, on to, I assume, the arms. Yeah, bag 3. one arm now. Got not bad tension on that as well, and then your hand can twist around. So let's get started. Assume on the other side. As you can see, it's movable, it's pretty well built so far. So right, basically onto the head. Got 2 bags left, so let's get on with this now. Right, now on to the last step, which is the hat and the little control panel inside. I mean, the head is really good construction. I mean, it is pretty actually solid. So yeah, let's get on with this bit anyway. Right, I mean, build quality is not that bad. First of all, time-wise, I think I took about an hour and a half, and that was with my fingers. I did it in stages. It was actually over 2 days because there was one bit where it was very fiddly for my fingers. But yeah, I mean, like I say, I mean, it's not a bad build. I mean, I do like the little bit in the top there as well. Let's try and get that into focus there. But yeah, I mean, you've got the movement. Show you this way. Oops. Let's pop that back on. You've got the movement of the head, you've got the arms, which do stay in place as well, the hands move, the legs move, so it's fully posable whichever way you want it, so you can have him sitting down or whatever. Now for me, it is just a display piece. That's all it is. The only one thing I will say about the build quality is this bit where the legs meet. That is pretty loose. It just keeps popping off when I'm moving it. The one thing I do like is the actual feet. You've just got the space there like it would be. Like, okay, I've got one of these figures, but yeah, you've got that on there. Like I say, size-wise, see again, that's come off. It's I've checked to make sure I've done everything right, and it seems to be, so I'll pop that there. But I mean, size-wise, this is one of the torches, that's one of the larger minifigures, and that's that. So, you know, it is a reasonable size. And for me, like I say, it is display. I mean, like I say, the price was £45, that's UK price. And then, you know, delivery on top of that. That was direct from the Lego shop. But yeah, I mean, for a little display piece for me, it's absolutely great. Oh, the one thing I did want to say is everything is smooth. You've got everything nice and smooth, and the head and everything else, all smooth bricks. The one bit is on the bottom. Let's try and get that into focus. You've got the studs there. I would have preferred that to be just like, you know, a 6B1, like flat tile, to make it look better, and possibly in the hands as well. I mean, the hands not too bad because you can grip things, but the feet, I don't see that. I would have preferred that for that, but that's easy to solve anyway. But yeah, that's just another little thing, you know, that, you know, it's just a minor little gripe, you know, from my point. So hope you've enjoyed this anyway, but like, little plug for the channel. Like I say, I'm normally out and about doing my photography and bits and pieces in the camper, but also I do take pictures of these in different locations and everything else. I haven't done as much as I'd like. You know, I've got I think about 2,000 pictures over the years that I've took of different Lego minifigures in different things. So yeah, if you could subscribe, that would be absolutely great. The one thing is I am going to be doing another one, so just bear with me. Right, I'm back. Basically, I went on that Temu. I did a little video about that. But basically, I bought one of these. Let's get this into focus. See, again, that comes off. Basically, it's like a cheap Lego Technic set. It's not made by Lego. This is about 1,300 pieces. So I'm going to be building this in one of the videos. This is going to take me a while. But yeah, so if you want to join and see me building this and what the quality is like compared to Lego, and the manual is pretty good quality. But yeah, so but anyway, on this, nice little display piece for me to go with the new other ones in my cabinet, or possibly even behind me here, we'll see. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye for now. Bye.